50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 25. Guidance. Dear God, I seek your guidance and wisdom today. Lead me on the right path and help me make choices that align with your will. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Take action today. Your future self will thank you.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Participate in a local river or beach cleanup.
For unity for a happier world.
Today, let us take a step towards unity by actively listening and respecting different perspectives.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find joy in the journey, to embrace the ups and downs, and to live with resilience.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.